People slept on these. I want to know why. Sneaker notes.
They call me Notes, huh? I said they call me Notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? They call me Notes, huh?
What up, family? We back. Another episode of Sneaker Notes. As you can see, these dropped and they was highly slept on, man. I don't know why, but we gonna get the answers today. But before that, I wanted to get into this, man, because I know it's Sneaker Notes, but I also make sure y'all know what's the popular streetwear that's coming out. And last week, KAWS dropped the Uniqlo Sesame Street edition. So, you know, your boy went in and got a couple of shirts, man. I always think KAWS is dope with the things they do. And for Uniqlo to team up with them, very affordable shirts. We talk about under $20. I went in and caught a couple, man. The site was going crazy. Everybody was going crazy over these. But again, if you didn't, go to Uniqlo, type in Sesame Street, KAWS should pop up, and go get you one of these dope shirts, man. My bad, man. I've been slacking on the streetwear. That don't mean your boy ain't got it. I just ain't been able to get in front of the camera and talk about it. So much dope sneakers coming out. But that was the KAWS Sesame Street Uniqlo. Go cop. It's dope. They got a shirt for every pair of sneakers you rock. Trust me on that. But if you're new to this channel, this is Sneaker Notes. We talk about exclusive sneakers. We break it down. We get everybody's opinions. That's what we do. Today the review is about this slept-on sneaker that just dropped. The price is even going under retail. I'm trying to figure out why people slept on it. But before we get into that, you already know what we need to do. We got to see what you wore on foot today. So in that comment section down below, after you subscribe, after you like the video, maybe you share it, I want you to go in that comment section below and tell the Sneaker Notes family what you wore on foot today, why you viewed this video. We don't care. It ain't got to be the most exclusive sneaker in the bunch. It ain't even got to be brand new. You got it on foot, so you got some respect for it. And if you like it, we love it. Today, I kept it light. It's hot outside, so you're going to see me in a lot of Nike sweatshorts or maybe Adidas. And I'm just going to be roaming the streets, you know, doing what I do, taking care of business. So today, I got on so those the Air Jordan 5 Labs. They came out in maybe two other colorways, but I think these are the dopest ones. That's why I copped. They probably still out there now, $300, $400 price range. They're not the most talked about sneaker, but when they came out, it was real popular because we never seen nothing like that. So those are the Air Jordan 5 Labs. Again, in that comment section below, let me know what you wore on foot. You already see what I got on foot today. And now, I want to know, why did people sleep on this sneaker? So off the bat, it's a different kind of box here, people. It's blue. And it's gold. It's not your typical black and gold box that I hate. So off the bat, I want to know why y'all slept on it off the box alone. Now let's spoil you the surprise. Here it says Air Jordan International. Okay. Size 10.5. So y'all know what that means. They belong to me. Now let's get into it. Here's your Air Jordan 3 International pack. Now, if the camera's giving us any justice, this is a dope shoe, man. Now, it's slept on. The retail price was $190. I'm seeing them as low as $160 right now. $140 even I saw once, but I think somebody jumped on those real quick. Let me show you the whole situation before we get into it. Besides it not having your typical box, this ain't even your typical paper. You have a Jordan International, man, all over the paper. That's crazy, man. Let's get into the shoe now. You got blue, you got red. It's the first time I seen that on the Jordan 3. It's either one straight color or it's white. You got your typical elephant print. Premium elephant print at that. Your tongue has Jordan's signature, man. Like, this wasn't enough? Got your gray tongue, Jordan signature, sail white shoestrings, more elephant print. That's usually the way you kill a meeting right there. Putting the Air there Jordan instead of the Nike Air. So I could get that. Your inside has gray and white stars all around it. Let's get into the inside more. Comes with your Jordan tree. We know that. Has your International in the inside. When Classic got your size right there. 10.5 US. They belong to me. Now these sneakers were made off a charity game that Jordan had years ago, which he wore a jersey that was similar to these colors. The jersey is actually coming out also. I'm looking to cop that to rock these together because I'm keeping these. I think these sneakers are dope. I don't know why they're being slept on. I mean, I kind of got some kind of reasons, but in the comment section below, let me know why y'all think these sneakers are being slept on. Let's get both shoes. First of all, the sneakers are not even that white that gets dirty fast. It's sail white. So, you know, it's that little off-white. No pun intended. And I think that's dope alone. They came out around 4th of July, so you think people would have jumped on them quick just to rock them with a 4th of July outfit. But I think the main reason these sneakers are being slept on is because they look just like these. Here is your true blue Jordan 3s. Here's your charity games. See them? You see the similarities? But there's one big difference. And like I told y'all before, it's that Nike Air and that Jordan Air. That's a big difference. This Nike Air shows OG-ness. It shows like, yeah, Jordan rocked these. These are from back in the days. But the colors are not too different, but that don't make these less popular or less a get, so I don't get it. Another reason why these sneakers probably sat was because last month we just got these. These are the Katrina 3s. So again, similarities are there. And as you can see, these both had the Jordan Air, no OG-ness to it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I don't care about nobody's judgment. I don't care who ain't copping. I don't care that they still in the streets. These sneakers get an 8 for me. And that's off quality alone. This is premium leather, premium elephant print. The colors are popping. That Nike Air is what did it to me. That's what made it not get a 9 or 10. I hate getting that behind the 3s. I think all 3s should have the Nike hit behind it. So let me get y'all a closer look. These are your charity game Jordan 3s. You can get them for as low as $160. I would say cop. I mean, I would definitely say cop. These are a cop. Not a must cop, but you got $160 laying around. Granted, ain't no heat coming out for about 2 weeks. So I say cop, man. These are Jordan 3 charity games. I'm C-Notes. Thank you for checking in. This is Sneaker Notes. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Get rich.